Dear angels, divine guides, I invite your healing light to flow through me. I visualize a warm, radiant light above my head, shimmering softly. With each breath, I draw this light down into my body, cleansing every cell, every thought, every emotion. I feel this healing energy washing over me, cleansing away any negativity, stress, or tension from my day. This light fills my heart with warmth. It flows through my arms, down my spine, into my legs, carrying away any heaviness, replacing it with peace. I am surrounded by this gentle healing energy. I am safe. I am whole. I am renewed. Now I envision the glowing bubble of protection surrounding me. This bubble is infused with pure love and light. It shields me from negativity and harm, keeping me safe as I rest. Within this protective bubble, I am calm. I am at peace. I ask you to watch over me, to guide my dreams and keep me safe throughout the night. Thank you, dear angels, for your loving presence. Thank you for the healing light that surrounds me, for the bubble of protection that keeps me safe. I express my gratitude for the blessings in my life, for the love that fills my heart, and the peace that fills my soul. As I prepare for restful sleep, I release all worries and fears into the light, trusting that I am supported and cared for. May my dreams be blessed, filled with love, joy, and inspiration. I surrender to the night's embrace with a heart full of gratitude and a spirit at peace. thank you for your protection and guidance. And so it is.